cowl. Look at this. Full right-hand drive harness. What do you want, baby? What's going on, guys? Look how cute he looks.
The Subaru, are we gonna move it here or leave it? Just move it back.
Yeah. As long as this is in the garage. But you gotta use the garage, right?
No, that's it.
Oh, that's it, you're done?
I already cut the flex. I didn't do anything else.
Alright, so today we are going to move Becky towards the garage. Because Sammy's going to do his work on Sunday. So now that I have the help, got Natasha. Say hi. She's gonna help. She's gonna be steering the car, and we're gonna be pushing the car. Yeah, we have to go in. All right, ready?
Start pushing.
Doesn't weigh like shit.
You sure it's gonna clear?
All right, forward.
No, keep on turning.
All right.
Straight. No, the other way. That, straight. Shut the fuck up. Oh my God! Cut it. I'm with it. You wanna go around the block?
Really, bro?
Wow.
Oh.
Look at that. All by himself. You want to record?
Oh my God.
Yeah, they call just close it and re-record.
Turn it!
That way.
Woo! I'm so fat.
Whose idea was it to go around the block?
Yours? Ooh.
Yeah, record it front. Straight. The cable.
Right there.
Is the cable there?
No, the cable, yeah, that.
Nah, she wouldn't know.
Pull the metal part.
The metal piece, yeah.
Pull it.
Pull that.
Oh my God.
Workout, huh? Oh yeah, Becky. Here's Becky. She's on this side. Well, we gotta sit down for this. Yo, my quads, it's on fire. See, everybody got some work out of this. Facts. What's going on, guys? So we here. We're trying to get Becky ready for Sammy tomorrow. So I already started taking the parts off, and there's a lot of installing, then taking off, put it on, taking off, put it on, taking off, because I want to make sure that everything fits. So now I have to take off the fenders to give some space for Sammy, and yeah, so he could do his magic. Finish the rest of the bay, finish the firewall, do some fixing here and there, and get it ready for paint. Took it off, baby. Okay, be careful. Stay inside, baby.
But now I'm going to play iPad.
Stay in there, baby, okay?
I am. Oh, okay. The engine. I'm playing iPad.
Playing with it, put it back.
But Miley, give it to me. Miley, here's the iPad to me. Miley. Supposed to put that over the boot.
Well, Salad me lock up.
You got the windshield done already?
Nah, yeah, that's the
That's the original one.
That's the original one, yeah.
So you already found it. He took my interior of this ditch.
Oh yeah, he took it already? Nice.
I sent my 40 out. I can't allow him to
Jesus, perfect. I need hold on.
For this right here.
Yeah. Aye. All right, so I'm just going to attempt this just cause either way I'm going to replace the glass. This glass is too scratched up, so this will be my test glass. My boy Oscar Reckless, he owns a Acura RL right-hand drive, and he had to do the same exact thing what I'm about to do. So what I need to do is cut the glass right there so the cowl could fit perfect. So all the clips were aligned, and yeah, that's about it. Because as you can tell, you see the clips, boom, then boom, the glass is in the way. There's another clip down there. Let me see. There's a clip here and a clip there, and the glass is in the way. So yeah, so I'm about to cut this glass right here, boom, up to this point, and that's about it, because everything else is exposed. So I don't know, let's try it. Let's see how this works out. So as you can tell, I already marked where the cowl sit. So the cowl sit right where the line is at, well, the bottom line, not the top line. So as long that I don't cut above this line, which will be fine, which pretty much that's where it sits. So let's try this out. Oh, I already cracked it. I already cracked the glass. Wow, nice. I already cracked the glass. Damn it. Wow. Yeah, I guess because I was like pushing it right there. That's okay. That's fine. I have to replace this glass anyways. This is too hurt, so. Alright, so I'll let a professional do this. Didn't work out. Alright. That sucks.